Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a different Bronco in the stable. Today we have Laura's Bronco, and what we're going to be doing is putting some carbon fiber mirror covers on there that we were supplied with, and it's the perfect color for these mirror caps. She has the cactus gray. As you can see, she's done some really nice details with the. We're going to go ahead and show you these and how we are going to install them. All right, here is the caps that we're going to be installed. They have been hydro-dipped carbon fiber. These are of really nice quality, and they fit very tightly to the ends of the mirrors. As you can see, they're held on by 3M tape. So what we're going to do to prep the Bronco is I have some rubbing alcohol that's 70% in a microfiber towel. I'm going to go ahead and clean the surface really well, and then we will pull the red tape and seat these onto the mirror. So we're just going to let that dry really well before we put the mirror cap on. And I already cleaned the passenger side. Okay, we have all of the red tape removed from the cap. Now we're going to go ahead and place this cap over the passenger side mirror. Once you hear it firmly snap into place, it is installed, and it will clip right into the seam of the factory mirror. Here's a closer look of that cap installed. And as you can see, it rests right over the factory seam. Okay, we just wrapped up both sides, and as you can see, the driver side fits just as tight as the passenger side. Again, very nice quality. The hydro dip that they used is very consistent on both sides of the Bronco. So I hope Laura is going to be happy with Buster's new look. I think it looks great. And we also switched out the bullet antenna as well, but she's going to continue to modify her Bronco here. And these are the Altha4wd drive mirror caps. I'll post a link below where you can get these. As always, thank you for tuning into the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends.